shit. I was gon' smash it, she messy, that's her head down. To the bands came, yeah, I stayed down. Live my life like Soprano, you can get.
What's good, YouTube? So today we're gonna be getting rid of the 5-year-old tires on my X5 and replacing them with these. So these are some all-terrain Radar Renegade RT tires. Basically the cheapest all-terrain tires that I could find on eBay. So yeah, let's get these bad boys mounted.
Lost and never found. I'm sipping, drinking mud, eating, I get in my bag. Hustle in the gutter.
Alright, what's good, you guys? So we're on the way to the tire shop right now. And basically what I wanted to talk to you guys about is how I'm getting these wheels to fit. In the front, I'm gonna need a 35mm spacer to clear the top of the strut. And in the back, I'm gonna need a 50mm spacer because I'm using the X5, I guess, sport wheels. So it's a 20x10 in the front and a 20x11 in the back. And the tire size that I'm going with is a 285/50/20 all around.
Well, I got my swag. I was thinking simple at first. Ain't get a chance to cop a jack. I got a chance to count my blessings. I got.
Yeah, look at that Benz. That shit's fire. Alright, you guys, so I'm currently at this tire shop right now. It's called Elite Roads in Fort Lauderdale. I used to come here back in the day when I had my bagged Infinity.
For the friends, what she expect. Play that goofy for the kid. I'm pimping hard to get my check. I seen too many niggas change up. Don't like it when I flex. I got that work in your area. I flip that work in your area. They won't out of Ross. I ain't know how to cause. Count his money, satisfaction.
But yeah, they'll be putting the overland tires. Not overland tires. The all-terrain tires on the X5. And if you guys noticed the outfit change, it is a different day because pulled up a little bit too late yesterday when they were about to close. So yeah.
I'll pop out, man, attraction. Don't worry about the floss. I'ma be there when you need me. You ain't even got a car. They go for all the dogs, yeah, they go for all my dogs. Rapping and trapping all over the globe. They don't know what to do when I'm in this mode.
Alright, you guys, so we're on the way back home from the tire shop. We got the all-terrains installed and they're looking amazing. But one thing I want to point out to you guys while I'm driving here on the highway is these tires are definitely louder than highway tires. Before I had some 315 Pirellis in the back and some 275, like some no-name tires in the front. And these are noticeably louder than the factory tires that came on this car. But I will say they look a lot better. And they'll definitely be a lot more capable off-road. So you have to give up a little bit of, I guess, the comfortability, I guess you could call it, to get the more aggressive look and the more capable car. Is it just me? Or does that shit look crazy as fuck? Look at that. Like, compared to what it used to look like with just the normal tires, it's looking a lot crazier. If you guys caught the last episode that I did on the X5, we lifted it, so now it's lifted with all-terrain tires. So yeah, I literally just got home from the tire shop. The first drive was pretty good. I will say it is noisy, and at full lock it does rub in the front, so I'm gonna have to address that. I don't know if I will address that in this video or in the next video after, but we'll see. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. You guys think it looks good? Is it too aggressive for the car? I'd love to know what you guys think about it. One thing I wanted to point out to you guys is this car does have like double or dual sidewall, where the other side, I guess on the inside, has a different design. I went for the mountain, I guess, design. It was skulls on the other side. Number one, I thought the skulls were cringy, and number two, the mountain thingies, I guess, protects the sidewall a little bit more. So yeah, that's the way I decided to mount them. Alright, you guys, so that's gonna wrap up today's video on the all-terrain tires. I wanted to get some more miles on them before I do a more in-depth video, and I also want to take them out and actually use them off-road to give you guys, I guess, a better idea of how I feel about the tires. But stay tuned, because in the next episode, you guys will see how my X5 blew up on the side of the road and nearly left me stranded, and I'll be showing you guys how to prevent it. car is smoking good.
Is it?
We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Don't worry. I just have to add coolant and let the car cool down. I've been through this before. I'll catch y'all in the next episode.
Mogul, I pull up Mexico is on the map. I told you I can't get comfortable, I can't relax. Crazy good pussy.